was gonna say, but
Watching videos? Have anybody doing that?
yeah, I watched a couple.
Nice.
Just don't know how to fix that.
It'll dry faster. Hold it like this. Yeah, like that. Because you want to avoid getting air bubbles in it.
Sand it down afterwards. Is it that?
There's a rush when you get back into the action.
Fixed itself today.
Just to fix it. But at least it looks somewhat straight now. All the rusty quarter panels that had holes in them now have patches and Bondo. One side has primer, the other side is almost ready for primer. And the smallest hole that was there on the hood is now that big, which was unnecessarily big. Trying to make sure every air bubble is out. But every spot has at least Bondo on it. I'm gonna quickly go and close my house up then.